If you're wondering if it's too late to start a YouTube channel and start making some money, I want to tell you it's never too late. These channels that you're seeing right in front of you started within the last 5 months, 2 of them within the last 1 month, and they're already making some money. All right, so let me take you through, let me show you some of these channels and show you what I'm talking about. This first channel has 617k subscribers. It has 8 videos, and these are the videos that they're making. They started this channel around 5 months ago. Another channel on the list has 9 videos, 5.34k subscribers, and this channel started about 1 month ago. And this channel here, it has 4 videos, 3.25k subscribers, and this started uploading videos 13 days ago. That's mind-blowing. This other channel here has just under 6,000 subscribers. It has 11 videos, and this channel started about 3 months ago. This last channel here, it has 12 videos. It's got 274k subscribers, and it started 3 months ago. All these channels have a few things in common. All the content is evergreen, which means it's not a trending topic, which can be a good thing because this means that the videos can keep getting views as time goes by. Another thing is the simplicity in the videos. The videos in these channels are so simple. It's so shocking that they're actually making it with these simple videos. They don't have a lot of technical stuff happening, but just to show you what I mean, I'm going to show you a couple of these videos, just a little short clip, and we'll go to how they're making money and how you can find out how much money these channels are making.
This one is more of a misconception rather than an animal actually abusing a substance. If you have a cat, then you've more than likely tried giving them Nepeta, or better known as catnip.
Planned obsolescence. Designing products with limited lifespans to boost repeat purchases and sales volume. Loss leader.
All right, so there you go. That's how simple the visuals for the videos are. And before I show you how you can generate videos like this using AI, I just want to show you how to check how much a channel, or if a channel is making money. All you have to do is copy the handle for the channel that you want to check out. Go on a website called Social Blade, paste the link on a search bar here, and you can search the channel and you'll see how much the channel is making. All right, so now that we know the channels are making money, how can we generate videos like this using AI? To do this, you'll need a script, which you can use ChatGPT for this, whether you have a paid or a free version. Once you've got your script, you need a realistic sounding AI voice. And for this, 11 Lab does an amazing job for this. Once you're finished with 11 Labs, you've got your audio ready, then it's time to put a video together. For this, you might want to use any software that you use. For this particular video, I'll be using Canva. And without wasting any more of your time, I will share with you a step-by-step guide of how you can do this if this is something that you're interested in. Okay, so let's assume you want to generate videos in the same niche, but you don't want to generate the same topic ideas, or maybe you do. Whether you do or not, I'll show you how you can do this. Let's say you want to generate videos in this niche. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can screenshot the pictures of the channels or the different channels that you want to generate the same videos as. You could upload them on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to suggest YouTube ideas similar to these videos. And as you can see, by doing this, ChatGPT will give you similar topics that you can generate videos like this. Second one, let's assume you're using a free ChatGPT version, which is the GPT-3. What you could do, you can copy and paste some of these titles and paste them on ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to suggest YouTube title ideas that are similar to these YouTube titles here. And ChatGPT will generate the same topics as these ones for your video. Let's assume you already know the topic and all you need is a script. Again, you just have to copy and paste this topic here just like this and ask ChatGPT to give you a script. And just like that, ChatGPT will generate a script for you, and on to the next. But for the purpose of this video, I will go with one of the options that ChatGPT has given us from the images that are uploaded, and I will choose this one. I'll copy and paste it. I'll ask ChatGPT to write a script for me, write an informative explainer style script on this topic. As you can see, ChatGPT is generating the script, and now I'm ready for the next step, which is 11 Lab for the realistic AI voice. Alright, so once you're inside 11 Labs and you want to find the best voiceover voice for your video, all you have to do is come to Voices, and on voices, go to voice library, and from here you have a variety of different voices that you can try out and test out which one best works for you. For example, if you're looking for a narrative voice, you can go to a narrative and story option, or if you're looking for conversational or anything like this. But for this video, I want an informative sort of sounding voice, and from here you can see we have all these samples.
Golden rule to memory, let us now commit it to life.
We've got that one, which was an old British male voice, or you've got a middle-aged man.
One of the advantages of being disorderly is that one is constantly making exciting discoveries.
Alright, and if you want a particular gender and you want to sort out your voices according to, let's say, you've got categories, you got a professional, or if you come to the genders, you got a male, a female, or if you want a neutral. On the ages, we've got young, middle age, old, and for the accent, we've got British accent, American, African, Australian, Indian. You have different ways that you can use to find the perfect voice for you. We've got this one.
It is not enough to have a good mind. The main thing is to use it well.
We've got this one here.
Don't be afraid to go out on a limb. That's where the fruit is.
All you have to do is just go through all these voices and find the one that works right for you. And once you found it, and you're good to go. All right, let me just say something about 11 Labs. You have a free version of 11 Labs that you can use, and you have a paid version. You can use the free version, but they say that the free version is not, it can't be used for commercial use, or you have a paid version which is allowed to be used for commercial use. If you want to use this to probably make money and you don't want problems from 11 Labs, the price for 11 Labs starts from as little as $1 for the first month and $5 the next month. And for this ones, you will have everything that's on the free option. You'll also have 3,000 characters per month, and you're allowed to have 10 custom voices. And maybe if you need to generate more sounds than this, you also have this option where you can pay a bit more money. All right, so that's said and done. Let's go back to the voices. Once you found the voice that you want, and I'm pretty sure you'll find the voice that you would like to use, because there's so many voices on 11 Labs and some of them are so realistic it's scary. But for the purpose of this video, I've chosen to use Mavid Pro.
A wise man will make more opportunities than he finds.
And for me to start using this, all I have to do is add it to the voice lab. I'll name it so I can tell, and I'll save it. And once you've got your voice, all you have to do is to come on speeches. We're using the text to speech option, so I'll make sure that one is ticked, and I'll come here and I'll find the new voice that we've added, which is Mavid Pro Demo. If I come on this section here, all I have to do is delete this and go back on ChatGPT. Back on ChatGPT where I have the script, you can see there's a lot going on. ChatGPT has given me an opening shot, which I really don't need. It also has some sort of an intro, which I'll not use. The reason is, if you look at the videos that are doing really well and you look at the comment section, for some reason people appreciate in the fact that there's no intros and outros in the videos. So for this video, I'll just get straight to the point, and by that I mean I will not use the opening shot that I've been given by ChatGPT. I will generate this for myself. The only thing that I'll be concentrating on is the script for exactly what I need, which is, this is the first line. So I'll copy that, and I'll copy something like this, and I'll copy this. When you're putting your script together on 11 Lab, make sure you don't copy stuff like this. So you just copy the most important. And once you put everything together, you go back and paste your script there. And this is how I have it. I only have the most important section of the script. And once that is done, all I do is hit generate, and 11 Lab will start generating. And this is the voiceover it's generated.
First up, macronutrients. These are the big three: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are your body's main energy source. Whole grains, beans, and veggies packed with fiber keep you full and your blood sugar stable. Proteins are the building blocks of life.
And there you go. That is the voiceover done. And now that I have my voiceover ready, it's time to go on to Canva and start generating and putting my video together. Alright, so back here on Canva, now we're ready to put our video together. The first thing that I will do, I'll go on create design. I'll search for the video option and I'll click on it. And that brings me to this page over here. From here, I need to upload the audio that I generated from 11 Labs. So now that the voiceover is loaded, I'll click on it, and as you can see, it's here already, and this is my first scene. If I want to add the second scene, all I have to do is click on that and click on that again, and I have all these different scenes. But for this video, we'll go back to the first scene, and we need to find the visuals for the video. So we'll go on elements, and if I go back on 11 labs, I'll see my first video starts with talking about macronutrients. So I'll copy that. I'll go back on Canva, I'll paste it there. And on this section, you have different types of visuals that you can work with. So if you want to work with graphics, you've got graphics, you've got realistic photos, and you've also got videos if that's what you want. But for the purpose of this video, I'll just show you using the photos. For my first scene, I want to choose the photo that works best for my script, and I'll choose this one. I'll click on it and it will come here. From here, if you want to extend this photo to fill up the whole page, all you have to do is extend it like that. But for the purpose of this video, I'll just leave it where it is. Another thing I could do to this image, I could add animation to this image. So if I click on that, I come on page animation, I can animate to different page animations. So I'll choose that one. And you also have the photo animations if that's what you want. And for this, I'll click on this one, 11 labs. I can see my next scene contains carbohydrates, I have proteins, and I have fats. So I'll start with carbohydrates. I'll bring it here and I'll paste it here. I'll search for an image that will work best for this scene. So that's the second scene. And once you find the image that you like, you click on it. Once you get here, you can do whatever you want to do with it. And I'll leave it there. Again, you can add animations if that's what you want. So you got page animation and photo animation. And there you go. If I go back on the script, I'll go proteins. I'll go back on Canva. On elements, I'll search for some proteins. And this should be my third scene. And I can choose whichever image I want. I can put that one there, extend it. Again, I can add some more animation onto this image here. That's it. I'll leave it like that. I'll add another scene. So I'll go back and I've got the fats. I'll go back to elements and I'll look for images that best describe this scene. And as you can see, I have this one's here. So I'll just choose that one, click on it, and I'll bring it here. Add a bit of animations on it by clicking animate, drift, and I'll leave it as that. All right, so coming here, I'm going to come back here again. And from here, I will make sure that the video I'm making, the visuals are corresponding to the audio. If I play that.
First up, macronutrients. These are the big three: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats.
All right, as I can see, I need to adjust a bit of this. So if I change the scenes and I put it into a timing of, let's say, 2 seconds, and I'll apply to all of them. As you can see, all these scenes have changed to 2 seconds. And another thing you can do as well, you can come in here and you can add transition for the pages. So from slide to slide transitions. If you click on this section here, you'll find different transitions here. You got stacking, you got that one, you got that one. And I'll leave it on stacking. And you also have the duration of the transition. I would choose the shortest one, which is 1 second, and I'll apply to all of them. So if I come back here again and I play my video.
First up, macronutrients. These are the big three: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are your body's main energy source: whole grains, beans, and veggies.
All right, so if any of these images are not aligning to the video the way you want it, as for me, it's not aligning because I want where it says carbohydrates, I want you to see the carbohydrates. Where it says the proteins, I want you to see the proteins. So all I have to do is just to reduce this durations here. And for this, I'll leave it on 1.5. I'll apply to all and just see how that goes. And I'll start playing the video again.
First up, macronutrients. These are the big three: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are your body's main energy source. All
right, as you can see, that's starting to get somewhere. The idea here is to make your visuals match with your audio. As you continue to add the scenes, you make sure everything aligns. How many visuals that you choose to have in your video, that's up to you. And it also depends with a specific video. All right, guys, that's that for me. Hope this video has been helpful to you. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me that like. Subscribe for some more videos like this. And if you want want to know how I generated a talking avatar like this video will be on my channel. Until next time, guys, my name is Abigail.